Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate you all tuning back into the live stream. And yes, before you tune into the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. All right, 1 second here. Yo, what's up, everyone? Gonna go ahead and grab my charger, and we're gonna pull up all these charts, what I'm looking at, what we're looking forward to today. Yo, guys, thanks for pulling up to the live stream. Really appreciate it. So 1 second here. We're gonna pull all these chats up really quickly. We're gonna get started today. Yo, good morning, everyone. Good to see you. Jose, what's up, man? Good to see you, man. We're gonna pull up what? SPY, Tesla, Qs, all these other trades here. And honestly, I do want to start fresh on everything here. AMD, we'll go over pretty much everything. So you have the chat pulled up. Let's also tell the team members we're on live now. All right. Yo, good morning. Good to see you. All right, we'll go over pretty much everything. So I do want to go over the Qs first. I will be honest. It looks like, at least on this 4-hour chart, so I do want to break this down a little bit more. Do have a nice top wall there. Nice bottom wall here as well. As you can see under us, we do have this empty space here. We did end up breaking under this bottom wall, which led us into this empty space here. If we do continue, I do want to see that 573, which honestly looks good. 1 second here. And if we do end up tapping this imbalance, that will be that 575. That's what I'm seeing there. That doesn't look bad. But I do want to go down to a lower time frame and, break it down a little bit more. So yes, we did see that 4-hour that looked good. I'm also looking at this. Can I do IWM? Yeah, no worries. Yo, Quincy, good morning, man. Good to see you, bro. We'll go over pretty much all these trades here. So as of right now, Qs, we look for the same play each and every day inside of our Discord. What I can see here is what? Beautiful top wall there. Decent bottom wall there. And right above us, you can easily see. So what? 2 body candles closing directly at the same price. If we can get above the stop level, yes, I do see resistance here. But I do want to see if we could potentially take it up to this green candle, which honestly looks really good. So yes, entry to exit, the literal middle of the move. We have exactly what we want. So right now, for this upside, I really wouldn't want to do anything. I'm just going to wait for, for our trade. So same thing like what we had for all the other trades. POTR, we were in the box. I waited, obviously. That was end of day swing. You can see end of day, we ended up getting that close under. We ended up dropping out inside that box. And you can see pretty much what we do here. If the plays work, cool. If they don't work, that's fine. You can see what, a few other members ended up doing there. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing on the Qs. Also, what? Yeah, so we'll pretty much go over everything here. Tesla, let's take a look. So yeah, we'll go to a higher time frame, and then we'll work our way down. Yo, Kev, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. Yes, sir, Scotch. No worries, man. So as of right now, what is this? Let's go to a. So I do see that. I do see a a decent move to the downside here. Hold on, let me see. So on the 24-hour, there is possibly a little bit of empty space there, just not enough structure for me. So I do want to go down to maybe 2-hour, 1-hour chart and see if we could potentially. Ooh, that's nice. Actually, yeah, that's pretty nice. I do like that 2-hour. Hold on, give me a second here. 2-hour, 1 hour. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing, and it doesn't look bad. I see both sides here. So yes, we do have what? Clear move up, no consolidation here. I'm also seeing that yes, we still have clear move down, no consolidation here. So what I'm currently looking at is nice top all there, nice potter box there. So right now we're in an area of consolidation. As you can see, I don't want to do anything. As for right now, hope you have a good day today. Yo, Brian, thanks for the comment. Really appreciate it. Thanks for pulling up to the live stream. So yeah, right now, what are we at? We are inside of consolidation. What I'm looking for is a break outside of our consolidation area into the empty space. So I mean, it looks good, it looks decent, but we are inside of this box here. If we break above, I do want to see if we can get up to this next resistance there. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any of these plays, so yes, please do your own research before doing anything, of course. I'm not in this play. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's what I'm seeing. That's on Tesla. Also, we somehow break under us. Oh, brother. We do have empty space below us, so that's just also what I'm seeing. But yeah, as of right now, you can easily see that we're in the box. We're inside of consolidation. I don't want to do anything if we're in consolidation. I'm just going to wait and see if we can potentially get to that break under. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing. So yeah, just like all of our plays, how we're able to, some of the members are able to do some of, these types of trades is because we look for the same play each day. Obviously, yes, I go over 1 million stocks each day. But I do like to narrow it down to just a few. And once we get them, cool. If they work, that's fine. If they don't work, that's also fine as well, because I can always look for another trade. You can see what a few other members ended up saying as well. All right, so SPY looks like it wants to go down in the 4 hour. Okay, cool. We'll look at SPY. Yo, Griff, good morning, man. Good to see you. AMD. Okay, yeah, we'll take a look there. AMD also SPY too as well. We'll take a look. All right, cool. So yeah, I do want to start fresh on all these trades. Yo, Catherine, what's up? What's up? Yeah, honestly, yeah, we're just gonna wait, or at least I'm gonna wait for some of the trades, and yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so AMD, we got to go for SPY, a couple other trades too as well. Let's go to this 24-hour really quickly, and then yeah, honestly, I do like to break it down. So my bad, guys. Yo, Robin, good morning. Good to see you. Thanks for being here today. So right now, I do see, yes, we do have empty space under us. I will be honest. Hold on, give me a second here. So we do have a little bit empty space that's under us. I do see above us too. So give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. So I do see that 4 hour. Also, I am seeing this 1 hour here. So IWM, Gap, and Nike. Yep, gotcha, guys. Yeah, no worries. We'll go over all these trades here. So yeah, right now, what looks good to me, I do see this. We have a clear sell-off. Clear as day. I do want to see, so yes, we would have to establish a nice Potter box. I do see a nice area of consolidation here. So what I'm looking at, what I'm looking for is if we can get that nice break outside of this level, outside of this wall here, I will look for the next resistance. And personally for me, I don't see any resistance to this green candle here. So yeah, it looks good. Yes. Where are we at? I can see we're trying to drop down. So there's just nothing that I would want to do there except for just to wait. And that's just like all of my trades. So, if I have to play what I want, I'm not going to just tell the team members, oh, yeah, let's just get in. No. I'm just going to wait. Just like if I want this upside. And let's just say I'm waiting all day. If we don't get this entry, I'm not going to do anything except for wait for that. On this 4 hour, though, I will be completely honest. This box is going to look very, very different. But pretty much still the same thing. I get it. It's going to look a lot. I get it. You probably are like, yo, what is up with this box here? but still there's empty space under us if we can get under that 172 area. So, you know, it doesn't look bad. So either way, I mean, both ways, I could still see that we're in consolidation. So I really wouldn't want to do anything except for just to wait, especially on this one. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at there too as well. So that is on AMD. That's what I'm seeing both ways in consolidation. I'm not doing anything. So just like, and yeah, I get it. You know, sometimes there's times where we may be in chop and I want to get in more trades, but I wait. And you can see why we wait. You can see, you know, what happens when we do end up waiting. Shout out to Fast Roddy. Shout out to, you know, the new members. Glad I joined. And yeah, if the play works, cool. If the play doesn't work, that's why stop losses are created. All right, so IWM, let's go over this. So I do like this 2 hour though. It's a 2 hour, honestly, 4 hour looks really good too. So yeah, what I can see here. Yo, thanks for sharing the live stream, really appreciate it. JPM, let's see, AMZ, yeah, we'll go over all these trades here. So yeah, no worries. So yeah, right here on what, IWM, this is what I'm seeing. Doesn't look bad. Let's see. We do have this. Clear, easy, push up, no consolidation here. This is what I would, you know, like to the downside here. Top wall, bottom wall there. We end up, so if we can, so right now, yeah, there's just nothing that I'm gonna do here. I do see, you know, we have the empty space. We break under us. I don't see any resistance down to here. Maybe I'll try to leave one down to that 221. But you can see, yes, we have exactly what we want. We have a level buyer's control. And you can see this is where price is having a hard time getting under. So yeah, if we end up breaking under this level here, under this wall, I would definitely try to this downside. So, you know, it doesn't look bad. I do like it. Let's just say if I do end up getting in, it's going well. Let's just say, obviously, if I end up trimming up, but we somehow reverse, we go back into the box. This is where I'm going to stop out. This is where I'm going to find that re-entry. All right, so yeah, that's on IWM. That's what I see there. It doesn't look too bad. All right, so yeah, let's pull up all these other trades here. Yo, Aaron, what's up, bro? Sky Guy, good to see you, man. Good morning, bro. So yeah, sound. We did AMD. We got to go over Nike, NKE. Let's see, Gap. Okay, cool. All right, that's the wrong one. And yeah, we got to go over SPY too. So SPY. So we did AMD. Okay, cool. Yo, Shaq, what's up, my guy? Good to see you, bro. Yeah, coin. Yeah, no worries. We'll go over that too. All right, so yeah, each trade exactly the same on our Discord. So what? 4 hour. Wow, I mean, that 4 hour does look decent. So, hold on, give me a second here. Let me see. I want to see points of contact here. So, okay, I do see that we do have a box. Hold on, let me look at the 2 hour too really quickly. Personally, okay, I do see that 4 hour. I do like this 2 hour a little bit better, just because there's a little bit more points of contact for me. What I like about this one is this. So yeah, it's just a little bit more clear. At least for me, obviously, you can see it a little bit differently. But yeah, we still have this empty space. Clear move up, no consolidation. Inside of this box, we have an area of consolidation. So right now you can see where these candles are going back and forth. Do I want to be in a trade when, you know, we're consolidating? Absolutely not. I don't want Theta to, you know, eat up my contracts. I'm waiting for a break outside of this level here into this empty space down to this red candle there. So it looks good. It looks decent. Right now, where are we at? We are still inside this box here. So I'm not doing anything. I'm just going to wait, see if we can end up getting that little entry there. So yeah, that's just what I'm seeing. That's on a what? That is on a 2-hour time frame. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing to this downside. It looks good. Not bad at all. All right, so hold on. Give me 1 second, guys. I have to get my notebook. So 1 second here. All right, yep, so I'm back. I'm here, actually. Let's see. All right, cool. So that is on what? So I have my notebook here. All right, we're good. So that is on SPY. And yes, each trade is going to be exactly the same. Inside of our Discord, you can see, you know, what a few of the members end up doing here. Obviously, yes, our swing trades, they're going to have a little bit more variety. Obviously, our day trades, I do like to, trade what I'm mostly comfortable with. You can see how we pretty much call out setups. And yeah, end of days, when we swing, you can see the last 30 minutes, the last hours when we mainly get into our plays. And yeah, cool. If I have to get stopped out of a few plays, that's fine. But you can see when we get those entries, what we pretty much end up doing there. See also different members in that little LLY call. Obviously, you can see, a few of the day trades, fours. Great example. Empty space above us and below us. We just wait. If we get them, cool. If we don't get anything, if we chop all day, I'm not doing anything except for, just going to wait. Also, shout out to all the ladies as well. So, on that little Amazon play that we ended up having, ended up doing very well in that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You can see what a few of the other members end up saying. Hands down, and yes, I'm not even saying it. Obviously, you all have to do your own research, of course, before doing anything. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And yes, if you do want to join the Discord, you can join the free chat or the VIP. Just make sure to do your own research. Oh, wow. Hold on. Give me a second here. We might have something here. Give me a second. All right, so as of right now, yo, Red Eagle, what's up? Good to see you. Hold on. Let's see. I do like that 24-hour actually doesn't look terrible. I get it. Not this won't be like nothing crazy. We do have empty space above us if we can somehow get that break. From the entry to exit, the middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. Honestly, doesn't look terrible. I do want to see if we can potentially make our way. Hold on 1 second. Make our way there. So yeah, right now we are still in this box. That is on Nike. So honestly, yes, I could go down to a lower time frame and break this down even more. And if I did end up doing that, let's see here. Yo, Leah, what's up? Thanks for influencing the live stream. Really appreciate it. NVO. Okay, cool. Yeah, no worries. Obviously, yes, we still have another box here. If Nike decides, oh, I don't want that empty space at the upside, let's just somehow drop down, which is, possible, of course. We do have empty space under us, too. So, I get it, not the craziest move, nothing too wild to the downside, but still. Nice little small move there. So, yeah, as of right now, where are we at inside this consolidation area? Hold on, let's change that song there. Alright, so that is on NKE. We got to do gap. We got to do sound, too, as well. Looks like sound is into some empty space, but let's go ahead and start fresh. And yes, all the plays exactly the same in our Discord. Well, hold on. So yeah, that doesn't look bad. I do see the upside there, which doesn't look like we'll get right now. But what I can see here, hold on, let's see. honestly, it doesn't look too bad. So it looks like we did already have a nice clear move up, no consolidation. That looks beautiful. It looks great. I do want to see if we could potentially break under this bottom level here. So yes, where are we at? You can see we are in an area of consolidation. A nice Potter box here. It looks like we ended up breaking outside of this fall already. If we can continue, I don't see any resistance down to that 1382. Obviously, yes, from the entry to the exit. So yeah, entry to the exit, the literal middle of the move. We have this inbounds. This is where price could typically end up rejecting. Personally, for me, I definitely wouldn't chase into this play. I would want to see if we could personally tap into this, or retest this bottom wall here where buyers have control. It doesn't look too bad. I get it. We could end up dropping though. I do want to see if we get that retest. And yeah, just like all of our other plays, so it doesn't matter. You know, there are some times where the play may be happening. So I think it was AMZN. So yeah, I told the members we were above our wall here. I get it. Yes, we were, you know, slightly above. I told the members what I wanted. We ended up getting in. Obviously, you know, for sound, the same thing could potentially happen, but for me, I personally won't chase into this one. Looks really good. Yo, Queese, good morning, man. Good to see you, bro. Yo, Esmer, thanks for the follow. I really appreciate it. Thanks for all the follows, all the likes, guys and gals. So yeah, I do want to see if we can retest this top wall here. That doesn't look too bad. All right, so hold on. Let's see. 1 second here. All right. 1 second. So yeah, that's on sound. And yeah, not telling anyone to get into any of these plays. So yes, please do your own research before doing anything. If you do join the Discord, whether if it's the free or the VIP version, just make sure just do your own research, of course. All right, so sound, that was there. We got to go over a gap. Honestly, I think I'm still waiting on this. Let me see. 4 hour. Okay. 24 hours, sorry. So I do see gap, and you know, it doesn't look bad. Let's see here. Still same thing. I still like it a lot. Personally, I would just wait for this. We still have this empty space. So yes, we had a clear sell-off. Clear as day. This is what I would want, you know, to the upside. As of right now, yeah, where are we at? Still inside another box there. So we're in more consolidation. I don't want to do anything here. I'm just going to wait, see if we can, you know, potentially get that nice break above. But it doesn't look too bad. So, and yeah, for plays like this, I just wait. Nothing for me to do. But yeah, that empty space to the upside does look good. All right, coin. We got to go over. What? We got to go over. Hold on. Let me see here. Let's see. MVO. Is this the right one? Or hold on. Let's see. And then also we got to go over coin. Okay. Cool. Oh, Gap has. Wait. Hold on. Let's see. It has earnings this week. Let me see. Hold on 1 second here. I have to look at this a little bit differently now, or not too different, but okay. I do see that. Oh, on Thursday. Okay, yeah. So same thing. We do have. Yeah, I do like that empty space. I do like the upside. You know, looks good. That's just what I like there. Do want to see if we can potentially end up getting that. So yeah, we'll have to see how that plays out. All right, so we'll take a look. Coin and piece. All right, hold on. NVO, and then we got to go over PCB. All right, cool. Yeah, no worries. We'll go over all these trades. Coin. Let's take a look. So it looks like we ended up. All right, so we had. I get it. It looks confusing right now, but we had the empty space here. We ended up dropping below, going into this empty space here. If we do, so at least my final target was hit. But let's just go over. I want to get rid of this. I want to start fresh again, even if that play ended up hitting. All right, so let's go to a higher time frame, and then let's work our way down. Okay, actually, yeah, that doesn't look too bad. So I do see this. I do see this empty space here. I'm just looking for a little bit more structure. Let's see. Okay, yeah, I like it. I like it. This is what I see. Still same thing. I feel the same way about it. We have the empty space here. I do want to see if we can potentially. Hold on, let's see, where are we at? Get this break under. So yeah, what do we have? Top wall there, bottom wall here. Right under us, so yes. You can easily see. So yeah, we are inside of an area of consolidation here. So what? 2 body candles closing direct at the same price. So this bottom wall is going to be our most important wall. Looks like we did reclaim this floor here. Do want to see if we can get that nice break under. If we somehow can. Actually, hold on, give me a second here. So I did see there is another little box here. Hold on, give me a second here. So just double checking my work really quickly. All right, so yeah, there is another little box here. Give me a second here. I do see that one, the other time frame, but there is another box here. Hold on, give me a second here. Let's go to this 2 hour. So yeah, we still have the empty space, still clear as day. We have, let's see, another decent wall there. So I would need that 292 break. And honestly, it looks good. It looks great. We're at that, what, 312 area. So for me at least, obviously, yes, you can see it a little bit differently than me, which is perfectly fine. But for me, I'm just going to wait to see if we can potentially get that move, which honestly doesn't look terrible. So yes, right now, we're at this, what, 312 area. Yeah, so just going to have to wait on that. So yeah, as of right now, so that was on coin. NVO, let's take a look here. Hold on, give me a second. Our NVO, let's take a look here. UNH. All right, yeah, no worries. Yo, Authentic King, good to see you, man. Yeah, NQ, we'll go over that too as well. Do you have a Discord trial? I only have the free chat. Sorry, I can't speak, and the VIP. So, I'm actually working on a lot of other things for the Discord. I'm working on some new episodes for the course that I have. But honestly, yeah, you can just join the free chat. I think I am going to do something with, the workshop that I have with the free trial too as well. So we'll just have to see. But yeah, I have a lot of things I'm working on too as well. But honestly, yeah, if you want to just join the free chat's fire as well. Also the VIP is there too. But yeah, just make sure to do your own research if you do plan on joining. And yeah, either the plays work or they don't. If they work, cool. If they don't work, that's fine as well. You can see what a few of the new members ended up saying. And obviously, yeah, there will be some times where I'll have to stop out and re-enter, but that's perfectly fine because when we do end up getting those entries and they can hit our targets, I'm pretty decent. Oh yeah, shout out to my guy as well. All right, so yeah, we'll keep on going here. NVO. So yeah, links in the bio for the Discord. Oh, did not mean to turn that off. Please turn back on, PC. Alright, so anyways, let's take a look here. NVO. Honestly, it doesn't look bad. Hold on, give me a second here. Yo, Troy, thanks for the follow, man. 1 second here. How do I join? Hold on, let's see. Hold on, I gotta enter in my password. Give me a second here. 1 second here, 1 second here, guys. Alright, cool. How do I join the free Discord? So yeah, the free Discord is in my bio. So yeah, you can, you know, it's in my bio, and then you, obviously, yes, just do your own research before doing anything, of course. But yeah, it's all in my bio. The free version, the VIP, the course, everything's there. That looks so good. That looks amazing, actually. Hold on, I do want to see how I do want to do this really quickly. Honestly, it doesn't look bad. Hold on, give me a second here. So, I will be honest, yes, we do have this empty space here, which looks good. Honestly, doesn't look terrible. Let's see. 1 hour. I'm not gonna say, so there is my original box here, original wall that I would end up trying if we can get this break above. So yeah, this box is gonna look a little bit differently. A little bit different, but you know, still same thing. Yes, I get it. There is another candle here that's clearly right above us. Hold on, let's see. 1 second. So yeah, there is that candle that's right above us, but still a green candle. I do want to see if we get that 54.90 break. Maybe I'll try it above this 56.35 just to be safe. Do want to see if we can get up to that 68.96. And yeah, right now we're still in that box, so I'm not going to do anything as of right now. I get it, yes. This box was just a little bit different, but still same concept, still same exact thing that I'm looking for, which doesn't look too bad. All right, yeah, we'll keep on going. I do want to see, hold on, let's see here, let's see. I do want to take a look at RBLX too, as well. Do want to see where we're at, what we're doing here. All right, so wow, okay, yeah, so it doesn't look too bad here as of now. You know, we did end up, or we're trying to drop here. So yeah, we do have this empty space, and no, I would never tell anyone to chase it to any of these plays. So please do your own research, of course. And 1 second, I have to plug in my phone, or not my phone, my MacBook. So 1 second here. 1 second before it turns off. I know you guys see that in the corner there. Low battery. At least my phone is fully charged today, so yeah, we're good. 1 second here. Okay, perfect. Let's see if we can clutch this up. All right, yeah, I think we're good now. I think we're, oh yeah, we're charged up, guys. Yo, Doc, what's up, man? Good to see you. When I hit Discord, it says I have to pay. So it'll lead you to the VIP, but there's another option. So there's another tab on the left, or the right, I believe, that says free Discord. So yeah, just join the free Discord, see how you like it. Obviously, yeah, you don't have to join if you don't want to. But yeah, just make sure just to do your own research before doing anything, of course. All right, so yeah, it looks like we are into a little bit empty space. If we do potentially, you know, want to drop, that downside honestly still doesn't look bad. Looks like there is another box that we would have to get that break under. So if we can continue under there, it doesn't look too bad. So yeah, that's on RBLX. Hold on, let's see. On that 1 day chart, we were at that 117. Now we're at that 115 area. So yeah, we'll just have to see how that plays out, honestly. All right, so yeah, that was on RBLX. We'll keep on going. Let's take a look. ARRY. So we did coin. So coin looks good. I do like coin. Hold on, I didn't go over Tesla, did I? Or I think I'm lying. I think I did. Hold on, let me see where we're at. So yeah, Tesla, we're still... Okay, yeah, we're still in that box here. So, waiting on that. So yeah, a lot of waiting on these trades here. We'll have to see. So yeah, Tesla. Okay, we didn't go over Tesla. Let's see. Okay. So Tesla, still, you know, I like trading Tesla once we can, you know, get some, you know, decent entries. What I like here, and I know we'll go ahead and break all this down again. I know it looks like a whole bunch of mess right now, but what I see here, clear move down, no consolidation there. Also, I do see, you know what, we have a clear move up of no consolidation here. And right now we're inside nice Potter box. So we're basically, this is an area of consolidation. If we can somehow break above our top level, and I'm using points of contact here, body candle, I don't see any resistance up to this green candle there. Honestly, looks good. So yeah, either way, you know, there will be, like, you know, some outcomes that in some cases we may have a decent move to the downside or the upside. And I know it may sound stupid. It's like, yo, what is he talking about? We could go up or we could go down. Well, what I'm seeing here, so yeah, we have empty space here. We also have empty space up to here. So hold on, let's see. Where are we at? So this Amazon play, AMZN, let's see. It was just here. So yeah, this one we had, so this was a play that we ended up having the other day. There was empty space here. So there was an entry we could have taken to the upside. And also this downside here. So obviously I was waiting for this downside, but we ended up going back up, going up into this empty space. So, you know, I don't care, you know, where the charts go. It could show me, it could go sideways for all I care. I don't care about it. I only wait, you know, for those good, decent entries. Yeah, if they work out, cool. If they don't work out, that's perfectly fine too as well. But yeah, that's just pretty much it. That's just what I'm seeing. You can see why we wait for our trades. And yeah, there's no need for me to rush into anything. Oh, wow. Hold on, let's see. So yeah, Tesla, I like it. Right now, nothing for me to do, except for just to wait on that. So that's just what I'm seeing on there. So yeah, Tesla, QQQ, cool. Yeah, we'll go over this too as well. Yeah, let's break this down as well. And yes, not telling anyone to get into any of these plays, any of these trades. So yes, you all have to do your own research. Not financial advice. I'm currently not into any of these plays either. So yes, you all have to do your own research. Let's see here. Let's take a look. All right, so for the Qs, this is what I like here. And I get it, yes, 4 hour. I completely understand. We could end up tapping into this empty space here. But I'm also seeing, so what I can also look at that, you know, doesn't look too bad is this. We do have, so this was my original box there, but clear move down, no consolidation here. I get it, small move, nothing crazy, nothing that I would go crazy over, but still, I still like this little decent move, which doesn't look too bad. So right now, looks like we're trying to reject this bottom box. If we do, I do like the empty space below us, but if we can get above our top level here, I get it, yes. Resistance here, resistance there. Do want to see if we can potentially get up to there. So, you know, it doesn't look too bad. From the entry to the exit, middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. So yeah, you can see, yeah, if we're in the box, we're in consolidation. I'm not doing anything. I'm not taking any trade. So you can see, same thing with keys, right? Honestly, wait, hold on. Looks, well, Almost looks exactly the same. Almost looks exactly the same, right? So yeah, I'm just gonna wait. Obviously, if we get above and it somehow says, oh, we don't want to continue, we want to just continue to drop, I get stopped out. That's perfectly fine. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all that I look for. That's all that I look at. So SPY, also UNH, HD. Hold on. Okay, cool. All right, yeah, no worries. And yes, give me 1 second, guys. I will be right back. Gonna give you some more water. And then I gotta get me some mangoes. So, so yeah, I'll be right back. So just give me like a minute or so. And yes, if you do want to join the Discord, links in the bio. Just make sure to do your own research, of course. But yeah, we'll go over all these trades. And yes, if you do join the Discord, make sure to do your own research. Sorry for the bad music as well. 1 second here, guys. I'll be right back. Yo guys, I'm back. All right, so yeah, got my mangoes. I got some pineapples too, so I'm here. Okay, let's get this off my screen too. 1 second here, guys. So yeah, I needed some fruit. 1 second. Let's get this off my screen. Perfect. Oh, did not mean to do that. All right. 1 second, 1 second. Pulling up all these other trades here. Pulling up the chat. What's my opinion on Spy? LOY? Yeah, I can definitely go over LOY. Yeah, okay, so for Spy, I feel like, or of course, we're still in this consolidation. As you can see, yes. What do I see here? Clear move up, no consolidation here. This is what I would want to this downside. And yes, of course, we're still in this box. We're still inside of this consolidation area. I don't really want to do anything here except for wait. I do want to see if we can potentially go into this empty space. So, I mean, yeah, you know, it looks good. It looks decent. But I do want to see if we can get outside this wall here. And yeah, you know, that's just how I do all of my plays. So yes, we have the Potter box. We have the empty space. If it works, great. If it doesn't, you can see what. And yes, we do like to swing trade empty space. Yes, you can call it FEGs, whatever you know want to call it. But we end up breaking above our wall. We go up into this empty space here. You can pretty much see how we call out setups. You can see what we had, that LOY. You can see POTR, a couple other trades. And yeah, all our trades are going to be exactly the same. Literally exactly the same. I don't change anything. If it works, great. If I get stopped out, that's fine too as well. All right, so it looks like, hold on, give me a second here. Looks like we just had a little decent drop there. Would love to see, yeah, if we can get that break under. All right, so yeah, that's just what I'm seeing on that. Obviously, no, I'm not doing anything right now. So if we, you know, if we're still stuck in this box, stuck in this area of consolidation, oh yeah, I'm not gonna touch it. I'm only just gonna wait for it. So yeah, that's just, you know, what I see there. Also, I do want to go over AMZN really quickly. I do want to see where we have what we have here. All right, we'll go over this. That still looks really good. I still like this. I still like this 4 hour though. That 4 hour looks decent. All right, 1 second here. Honestly, you know, it still doesn't look bad. I still like this a lot. What I can easily see is we still have this empty space under us. Maybe I could go down to this 1 hour, 2 hour. Oh yeah, that doesn't look too bad. Yo, Myra, what's up? What's up? Good to see you, bro. Or good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate it. So we still have a nice top all, decent bottom all there. Right under this, I don't see any resistance down to there. Entry, exit, middle of the move. We have exactly what we want. So yeah, right now, where are we at? Still inside of this consolidation zone. Do want to see if we can get that nice break as well. So yeah, that is on AMZN. PP. Yeah, no worries, bro. Yeah, I was supposed to go over this one a little bit earlier. So yeah, my bad. Hold on 1 second here. Make sure you guys get some fruit today. What the world? Hold on, give me a second, give me a second. Let me go to the 1 month chart here. What fruit am I eating? So yeah, I'm eating what? Got some pineapples and I got some mangoes. So some pineapples there. Got some mangoes. Pretty decent. All right, so I mean, maybe I'll do a little bit more research on this one. So I would have to look more into this, to be honest. But hold on, let's see. Chart-wise, I mean, there's a lot of empty space above us. I don't even know if I'm on the right one. But hold on, give me a second here. Okay. All right, it's having. Hold on, give me a second. I haven't looked at this before. I will say there is. Oh, okay, yeah. So, yeah, I'll just have to do my own research. Obviously, you know, chart-wise, maybe I would have to go on a yearly chart to find this empty space, but we somehow can get this decent break above this 1088 area. You guys see me scrolling for 5 minutes, like, trying to find that top, but hold on, let's go to, yeah, even on this, what? There's just a lot of empty space above us. Here's what I'll do. I'll just do my own research on this one. What the world? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'll do my own research on that one. But on that 1 week chart, you did see, yeah, we did have that. I will love that 1088 break. All right, so we'll keep on going. I definitely see that though. Honestly, that's some wild empty space. yeah, imagine catching some shorts on that one. All right, so hold on, let's see. UNH. Oh, UNH looks good though. Hold on, give me a second. Give me a second here. UNH. All right, so, and yes, each trade is going to be exactly the same inside of our Discord. Obviously, you know, that other play, we did have the empty space, but I couldn't find the top. But you can see, yes, same trades each and every day. If they work, cool. If they don't work, that's fine. You can see what, you know, we end up doing, you know, a few of the members. Did I do ARR? I think I did, but yeah, no worries. We can go over that again. ARRY. All right, so UNH, I do like this weekly chart. I still feel the same way about it. Looks like we are, hold on, pretty much here. So it does look like, yes, we are currently nice top wall there, decent bottom wall. Oh, that looks beautiful. Dang, that looks good. That looks really good. We're at this, what, 312.82 area. I do want to see if we can potentially get this nice break above. If we can, especially if we get that weekly close. Oh yeah, maybe I'll keep an eye out on this one. Maybe, just maybe. Yeah, that looks really good, honestly. That's, so what? Let's see. So this move down, it took, so once we dropped out, what, 1, 2, 3, 4. So about like, what, 5 weeks? So about over a little bit over a month. So yeah, if we can get above that, it doesn't look bad. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any of these plays, any of these trades. So yes, please do your own research as well. I do want to see where RBLX is at too. Oh wow, RBLX is trying to go to that first TP, it looks like. We'll have to see how that plays out. Alright, so we'll keep going. All right, so what? Let's see. Yo, King Ranch, what's up, bro? Can I go over Tesla and IWM, please? Yeah, no worries, man. So, let's see. And let's pull up this music too as well. So, ARRY. I think I did this on a weekly chart, if I'm not mistaken. Weekly, no, I did this on a... Hold on, let's see. So, okay, so... Right now, what I'm looking at here, I do like that weekly chart. The weekly chart looks good. I can see that we're trying to go into this empty space here. Hold on one second here. So yeah, we still have this empty space. Looks great. Looks really decent. From what I can see here. And yes, you all have to do your own research. Not telling anyone to get into any plays. And yes, if you join the Discord, whether if it's the free chat or the VIP chat, just make sure to do your own research, of course, too, as well. For me, at least, I would want to see if we can get that closure outside of that 8-10 area. And yes, we do have empty space up to this. I do see this, what, 970 area. Personally, I would try to that 1114. Right now, we're inside this box, so currently still inside. Do want to see if we can get that nice break, which honestly looks really good. So same thing, you know, I get it. I've been going over my charts, you know, 1,000 times, 1,000,000 times. But yes, still same thing each day. POTR, we have the POTTERBOX, we have the empty space. So yeah, shout out to Jesus. If the play works, great. If it doesn't, that's fine. Once we have the entries, you can see what we end up doing. You can see the befores, the aftermaths. You can also see join the VIP yesterday or what last week. See what a few other members ended up doing. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can see another member there. Boom. So you know, it doesn't look bad. We'll have to see how things play out. So yeah, Tesla, we'll go over this too as well. So yeah, pretty much what I've seen here, same exact thing. Each and every day, same trades. We have the empty space. We have exactly what we like, or at least what I like. So right now we're still in this POTTERBOX. We're still inside of this area of consolidation. So what I'm looking at, what I'm looking for is if we can continue, or if we can, break up for some reason, we do have an empty space above us, which honestly looks really good. What is your win rate? I mean, I will say I do focus on the higher time frame. So we'll see the 24-hour, the 4-hour, the weekly. So if I get stopped out, it's going to be, a smaller stop loss. But yeah, I'll have to get tapped out a few times. That's perfectly fine. But once we catch that full trade, the full hit, that's what I'm looking for. So obviously, if I'm on a 1-minute chart, I would say it would matter a lot more. But I'm on a higher time frame. So let's just say let's just say if I get tapped out on this, if one little play doesn't work, I don't cry about it, because I know once, or if we can get those full entries, this is what's going to happen. And yeah, you can even ask the members what we do here. And yeah, sometimes I may have to get stopped out, but when we do end up cashing these trades, you can see shout out to Fabby, shout out to all the other members here as well. This is what we pretty much do. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If the plays work, cool. If they don't work, that's perfectly fine as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But yes, guys and gals, I will be getting off now. I have a lot of work to do inside of the VIP Discord. I will be live in like an hour or two or whatever. But yes, if you do want to join the Discord, links in the bio. You can join the free chat or the VIP chat. If you don't want to join, no worries at all. I'll be on live. So yes, thank you all so much for tuning back in once again. Hope you all have a blessed day today. Have a blessed one, guys. In Jesus' name, amen. See you all soon.